Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My new subscriber and my old subscribers, you are all welcome. Thank you so much guys. Welcome back. It's been a while. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do DIY your Afro ponytail, and you need your net. Can you see this particular net? You also need your Afro king, as in expression funky. Then you also need your door head, and you need your needle and thread, guys. You also need your pin to pin your net down. Can you see? You also need your scissors. You need your spray bottle to spray it with water. So guys, let's get started for the tutorial. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So guys, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll be glad to see your comments. Let me know what you guys think about this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section. So guys, let's get started for the tutorial. Firstly, you position your dome head. Can you see? Then you place your net on it. Make sure you place it at the middle. Can you see the way I place it right here? After that, you go ahead and you use your pin just to clip it down, just to secure it, for it not to be moving up and down. Can you see? Yeah, you pin it in the four places, the four edges. Can you see, guys? Yeah. Now you begin to fix the afro. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? So you start from the down parts. You start from the down parts. Can you see? Then make sure you tag the starting one very well. Make sure it's firm and it's tight. That is how you keep going with this lovely hairstyle. Guys, you're sewing it in a circular form, just all round. Can you see the way I'm doing it? But take note, guys, when you're starting it, you start from the down parts, so that it will be very easy when you want to draw it, and you'll find it very lovely when you're done. Can you see? Yep. You keep going. Please don't rush yourself as a beginner. Don't rush yourself. Just take your time to do it. This lovely tutorial, you can do it yourself, and is something you can have in your wardrobe as well. Anytime you have urgent outing, then you just go ahead and you clip it with your hair. So I'll show you the finishing part, guys, how you can actually attach it to your hair without any stress. So guys, that is how you keep going with this hairstyle. Can you see? So guys, when you get to the clip part, please make sure you did not sew on it, so that the thread will not affect it when you wanted to draw it. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Just have to place it gently. Yep. It's not something you can rush. Please just make sure you watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end, so that you don't miss any step of doing it. It's a very detailed tutorial. Trust me, guys. Yep. Then after, when you're done, you keep on sewing it round. Then when you get to the middle, you tack it. Then you cut the excess thread away. Then after that, you moisturize it with water first. Then you use your hand to detangling it. After that, you go ahead and you apply your moisturizing serum, and I use 8 plus. Then you apply it, and you also use your hand to detangling it as well. After that, you go ahead and spray it Nova spray. Can you see? Before you spray any other thing, when you're done, you trim it thoroughly. as in the way you want it to be, the way you want it full, you trim it very well. And that is all about this tutorial. Can you see, guys? You go ahead and remove it from the door head, and this is how the hair will actually looks like. Can you see? Then you begin to draw the rope. Can you see? And this is exactly what it's going to look like. Can you see? Yeah, it's very very easy to achieve. Just make sure you watch the tutorial from the beginning to the end. Can you see? It's very very lovely and full. Can you see the middle is not rough, it's very neat, and look at the clip. So guys, I just want to show you how you can do a quick ponytail without stress. Can you just have to comb your hair, then you brush it up. You don't need to add any gel, you don't need to stress yourself. Just pack the hair very well, brush it, and after that you go ahead, you use your brush just to brush it to make it look smooth. Then you braid the tip, as you can see. After that you just wrap it with the whole hair, then you secure it with rubber band. Can you see, guys? You secure it with rubber band. Yeah, you don't have to apply any gel, just secure it with rubber band. Make sure it's firm. Yep. Then you attach your afro, detachable afro wig, as in afro ponytail. So this is how you attach it. Then when you're done with it, you draw the rope very well. So it depends how you want it full. If you want it very full, so you don't have to overdraw the rope. And if you want it in a portable way, then you draw it very well. After that, you go ahead and you wrap the remaining rope around the hair. Can you see what I'm doing here, guys? And you're done. This is the finishing part of the hair. It's very very easy. So guys, can you see? No jaw is a DIY. Please let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next tutorial. See how Omolola is flaunting her hair. So guys, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.